It is great to be here, and I would like to welcome all the participants. It is incredibly important, and that's why the Department of State funds projects like this.
Welcome to everyone participating in this workshop on air quality in Southeast Asia. In the United States, we have made tremendous progress in addressing air pollution over the years.
On behalf of Chiang Mai University, I'd like to welcome you all to the virtual workshop on AQC, Building Air Quality Monitoring.
Kind of give a quick overview of the project and the workshop. I'm leading the project out of the US, and we have country leads. So we have Dr. Sampon Chantara from Chiang Mai University, who's leading the Thailand region efforts. We have Dr. Hung from Center for Environmental Monitoring and Modeling, who's leading the efforts for the Vietnam region. We have Dr. Kyo from National University of Laos, who's leading the effort for the Laos region. And then we have collaborators, Dr. Vanessa and Dr. Ron from National Astronomical Research Institute of Thailand, who we hope once at the end of this workshop, each of you will have an improved understanding of the challenges in this region.
สวัสดีนะคะ we would like to actually starting people already mentioned about that how important why we need to study or this care
with specific focus on Southeast Asian country. This is the picture from the HEPA filter fiber. You can see the PM 2.5 attached to the filter fiber to diffuse to the circulations all over body.
Actually, I was assigned to talk about the source of air pollution in Thailand. For Chiang Mai city, we can identify the source in 2%. Traffic emission is about 20%, biomass burning is around 40%, and the rest is the secondary aerosols. For
Once again, my research from Malay Portfolio represents plantation. We can classify that the rationale from using substances for bottom of sort and pollution and pollution loss destination. And below after.
I would like to thank you very much for inviting me. You can see that air pollution is something that have very clear regional character. Emission inventory from Dr. Kim Oanh and we who also participate here, and the figure I think quite similar with what Professor Sompon had shown for Thailand.
My name is Rob Pinder, and I'm presenting to you today about the U.S. experience in air quality management. So there's three stages outlined in these each of these individual boxes here, and it starts with a planning stage. So this is a lot of development of scope and developing of a timeline. And
I'm gonna start with Thailand Air Quality Standard. The PM 2.5 in Thailand, the source of PM 2.5 in the northern part of Thailand is the open burning. So the important action is the fuel management. Actually, is the agriculture.
For today, I will present for Laos and control the pollution management of the toxic chemical and waste in Laos. And in this law, we have the Article 2 for pollution control and Article 3, that's the control of the toxic chemicals and the waste dispersal. The Article 4.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Thanh Nguyễn. Please call me Thanh. The example how we use the PM 2.5 map to assess the PM 2.5 status. On the left side, you can see the annual average PM 2.5 in 2019, and in the right is in 2020. And we can see that the area with high level of PM.
To know the standard sources and the interactions in those in Southeast Asia. I hope everyone else found it to be useful.